Want to write clearer, stronger, and error-free content without hiring an editor? Most people get this wrong, but here's why Pro Writing Aid is a game changer for writers. Pro Writing Aid is a writing assistant that checks grammar, style, readability, and even clicks. When I first used it, I was amazed at how detailed the reports are. Unlike simple spell checkers, it analyzes sentence length, repetition, overused words, and readability scores. To start, you simply paste your text into the editor or use the browser extension. The dashboard highlights errors and provides suggestions for corrections. The surprising truth is how customizable it is. You can focus on specific writing goals like improving style, clarity, or pacing. It also integrates with Microsoft Word, Google Docs, and Scrivener, so you can work in your preferred platform. For beginners, the step-by-step suggestions help you understand why changes are recommended, which improves your writing over time. Some users may find the number of suggestions overwhelming at first, but you can adjust the settings and focus on one area at a time. The premium version adds more in-depth reports, plagiarism checks, and integrations, which is worth it for serious writers. In conclusion, Pro Writing Aid is excellent for anyone looking to enhance their writing skills, produce error-free content, and gain insights into style and readability. It's intuitive, comprehensive, and perfect for both beginners and experienced writers. Subscribe for more tutorials and honest reviews of writing tools that make your work easier.